Welcome to Exploring the Wonders of Past Perfect Tense. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of grammar and journey into the realm of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another action or point in the past. It's formed by using the auxiliary verb had, followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, she had already finished her homework when I arrived. Or, they had eaten dinner before the movie started. To form the past perfect tense, we use had, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Unlike the simple past tense, which focuses on single completed actions, the past perfect tense highlights the sequence of events in the past. For instance, I had studied for the exam before I went to bed. Or, he had already left when I arrived at the party. Now, let's practice using past perfect tense in sentences to illustrate the sequence of events in the past. Try completing these sentences. Past perfect tense is often used in storytelling to provide background information or to show the order of events in a narrative. It helps create a clear timeline and enhances the flow of the story. Whether you're recounting personal experiences, narrating historical events, or crafting fictional tales, past perfect tense enriches your storytelling and transports your audience to the past. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of past perfect tense. Be sure to subscribe for more language insights and tips. See you. Bye.